Welcome to Pando's Eatery and Fernando's Kambingan, located at the heart of Banawe area of Quezon City. Address 27 Machudum, Quezon City, Metro Manila. Opening hours, daily 8 a.m. 8 p.m. Parking space, somewhat difficult to find parking. The unique characteristic of Pando's Eatery and Fernando's Kambingan is serving tasty calderette and camming, lechon kawali, and garlic boneless bangus. The competent staff works hard, stays positive, and makes this place wonderful. Enjoy the spectacular atmosphere here, as the nice service is something these restaurateurs care about. A number of customers point out that prices are reasonable for what you receive. This place with the charming atmosphere can be a place to start your food crawl adventure. The friendly staff at Pando's Eatery and Fernando's Kambingan can demonstrate how much they appreciate their guests. The terrific service is something these restaurateurs care about. Prices at this place claim to be average. Always good food. People here are kind and accommodating. Kuya Pando always has a smile and greets everyone. Highly recommended. Recommended dishes: calderette and camming, lechon kawali, omelets, burro, lumpiang Shanghai, dinakdakan, and their best-selling dish, garlic boneless bangus, is highly recommended. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.